I'm sure you've heard of Row, Row, Row Your Boat at one time or another. Such a popular piece. And I'm going to start my right hand on middle C, left hand where that snowman chord or the C chord is, hold that down. Let's go. Cross over to C. Starting with our right hand onto middle C, hold that down with me. And later left hand will cross over to play C, 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 skip, skip. Let's place our hand onto the C position, C, E, and G. Hold that down. Hold, wait, 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 wait. Cross over, C, C, C. Let the right hand play and continue. G,